Hello everyone. Uh, Still working on our 6-hole boat layout. Now we're going to be finding hole number 3, which what I'm going to do is find the location from here to here and here to here. Give me that location right there. Now hole number 3, it's that triangle I'll be using is going to be this triangle. And the reason why this is 30, think of this. If between the degree between each two holes is 60 degrees, if I cut that in half, that's 30. Now, if you look at this triangle from the previous triangle that we worked on, right? I have a reference angle of 30 degrees with my hypotenuse of 1.50. I'm going to try and find this side, and I'm going to try to find this side. If you look closely to it, right, it is exactly the same triangle as right here, but I'm just going to flip it down here. Right there. So without doing any math, you can just look at it, but we're going to do the math, right? So I'm going to find the side for X and the side for Y. So, well, first I'm going to find the side for Y. It's going to be opposite over my hypotenuse. Which if I do that, which gives me, it's the same numbers that we worked with before, 0.75. Okay, now I'm going to do the X, which is going to be the adjacent over hypotenuse. Once again, it's the same numbers again. But I had done here the math so you can see it. And this is what your triangle looks like. Remember I said before it's going to be this triangle but flip down the other way. So to go from 3, right, it's going to be the same setup. Take from 0, go to 2. Minus this. So 2 minus this gives me 0.701. And that makes sense, right? So it's going to be the same setup. And then to go down, remember I'm going down from here. I'm going to add 2. I'm going to take 2 plus this. So it'll be 2 plus 3/4. And that gives me this location right there. And if I look at I'm going to put my numbers in here. This is 0.701. And going down, it's going to be 2.75. So it makes perfectly sense, you know. The reason why these two have the same numbers is because they both share the same vertical axis. Now let's move on to hole number 4. Hole number 4 is going to be this one. It's one of the easiest holes to find. It shares the same vertical axis as hole 1, right? So to find hole number 4, right, I'm going to go from here to here. That's 2. 2. Now I'm going to go down 2 and go down another to 4, right? If I go from the center down to 4, that's going to be the radius, right? So, if I go 2 plus 1.5 gives me 3.50. Or another way you can figure this out, I know this is a half, and my diameter is 3. So that's actually 2 ways you can solve this. You can go down 2 plus your radius, which is 1.5. Or you can go down from here, go a half. That gives you that clearance right there, plus 3. Either way, you still have the same number of, this will be 2, and this will be 3.5. And notice that this one's working out pretty well, pretty simple. All we got left is hole 5 and hole 6.